Hey guys, it is time to check out our Robinhood portfolio. And it's Friday, October 23rd. We are almost at 1600. And today we are up $5 and we are almost at the 1600 mark. So for today, we have $100 of buying power left. Most people would not recommend this. It's recommended on Robinhood here to hold. But Exxon Mobil has been tanking recently, largely due to the COVID and less obviously less gas is being used during COVID, less people traveling, uh, and now there's concerns that especially through the winter months, that coronavirus is going to bounce back and it's going to get even worse. So this article here on Reuters. Shares fell 1.6% on Wednesday as oil prices declined. On worries that the COVID infections are on the rise globally, and that will continue. I mean, the company's already taken about a hit of 50% of their value, and it says here the stock is trading near an 18-year low, which is true. So the 5-year mark here, they were at around like 70, 80, and they've dropped. The initial drop was all the way down to 32, and now we're at 34. So my thought is this company is not going to go under. I mean, they've been, yes, the COVID hit them hard, and this recommendation is to sell or to hold. But the dividend yield is now at 10%, and they've been paying dividends for the past 7, 8 years. Um, and while they're in not a great spot right now, I think within the next probably 6 to maybe a year. I mean, for a decent recovery once this thing subsides, we have the vaccine and everything comes back to normal. This will gradually go back, maybe not up to the full level here of 94, but it should come back at least to, I would think, 40, 50. Um, and even if it doesn't, I mean, they're still going to pay a dividend. I mean, they've been paying a dividend. I think it's about 70 to 80 cents a quarter. It's almost $3 and maybe 50 cents for the year in dividends. And now the stock is at $30. So you're getting a 10%. So with $100, I can get three of those. It's almost get like $10 per year just from doing that. 10% yield, which is crazy to think. And if the stock goes back up, great. Um, if they cut the dividend, it's still decent. I still will get 4 or 5%. So that's my thought. I'm no expert, but that's my plan. We're gonna put 100 into it. We will say done. Check our portfolio, and I have so many stocks now. It's hard to even find this XOM. There it is. So XOM. All right. So after this, after I buy 3 more shares, I should have about 4.5 shares of Exxon Mobil, and yeah, that's it. So I mean, people, yes, it's not great at all for Exxon Mobil, but especially with the news and social media, people tend to get worried by these articles and immediately panic and sell and sell and sell. But I don't think this company, unless this company goes under, I mean, I think it's still a decent investment at 30, 32, $34 if you're investing for the long term. If you're looking to just trade, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure, again, I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure this company is not going under. So I'll take the dividend even if it drops somehow to 40, 50 cents for a quarter versus 80. If it stays at 80, even better, 10% yield. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and this order should go through Monday when the market opens.